to be trusted by everyone on this campus, and that means the teachers really think that you're very honest and that you can be trusted.
Got one more?
Trustworthy means to be worthy of trust and that everybody can trust you.
Let's use the word to describe the word.
Right, thank you, girl. Okay, so we are going to start with Mrs. Ferrante's class, our kindergartners. Okay, you guys are going to help me out here. Okay, this first student is energetic, loves to learn new things, and is kind to her classmates. This is Megan Wong. Come on up. Okay, you can stay standing. This next student has a great sense of humor and loves to share his ideas with his classmates. This is Alec Francis. Come on up. Okay, and one more from Mrs. Ferrante's class. This student is a good listener. He works hard and is a good friend to his classmates. This is Finley Jones.